Hey y'all, it's Dr. Ruth Dotton here. I'm a board-certified adult psychiatrist who uses metabolic and lifestyle interventions to target root causes of mental illness. Today we're going to talk about how important nutrition is for mental health. I cannot overemphasize how important this is, and it's about two things. First is avoiding the bad stuff. That's things that are going to contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and blood sugar control issues. And then second is making sure that you're getting enough of the good stuff, making sure that you're getting enough protein, healthy fats, and all the micronutrients that your brain needs in order to survive and thrive. The foods I recommend avoiding are going to be ultra-processed carbohydrates and sugars, as well as processed seed oils. So when I'm talking about the carbs, I'm talking about things like bread, pasta, cereal, granola bars, cookies, cakes, candies, all those things. And when I'm talking about refined seed oils, I'm talking about things like canola oil, vegetable oil, safflower oil, soybean oil, among others. These ingredients are going to increase inflammation and oxidative stress, as well as put you on a path toward insulin resistance. All of these can contribute to metabolic dysfunction in the brain, which can ultimately lead to mental health symptoms. So when you start reading ingredient labels, you'll see that these things are in everything. When I say everything, I'm talking about ultra-processed foods. So the best thing is to work toward eliminating ultra-processed foods and towards focusing on a whole food diet. And that brings me to the next aspect, which is the equally important component of getting adequate healthy fats, protein, micronutrients, meaning things like vitamin B12, folate, iron, vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, selenium. And this is because all of these macro and micronutrients are crucial to the healthy metabolism and functioning of your cells, especially your brain cells. When they're not working properly, there's going to be issues with the production and communication between neurotransmitters, and as a result, psychiatric symptoms can occur. Now, if you're eating a well-balanced whole food diet, it's not going to be hard to get all of these things, your healthy fats, proteins, and micronutrients. But most of us are eating the standard American diet, which is full of those ultra-processed foods, which has had all of those things stripped from them. So we are chronically overfed but undernourished. What about you? Have you noticed that when you tend to eat these foods, your mental health symptoms get a lot worse? Or maybe you've noticed the opposite, that when you cut out sugar or when you switch to whole foods, that your mental health symptoms improve. Share your experience in the comments below. Wishing you all good mental health today, and I'll see you in the next one.